Welcome, this is Manuel with another tutorial on the cPanel account, and today I will explain to you the FTP manager. So FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and basically you transfer files from your computer to your website, to your server, and you do that using some software. So here, what you can do in the FTP manager, you can, let's say you hire someone to work for you and you don't want him to have the main FTP login that you have. You want a specific FTP login for him to access just certain directories and not all the directories. Okay, you don't want to display all your data to all your workers. So let's say you have 10 workers that works for you. Well, you can create different FTP accounts for them. So what you do, you click on FTP manager and you click on FTP accounts, and for each worker, well, you create different logins they will have different privileges basically. Here I have all these FTP accounts that I created. So let's say I hire John. Well, I create an FTP account for John. I click here, add FTP account, and here the login will be, well, John works for me. Password, John's password. So here basically is the directory or the files you want John to access to and to work on. So if there's some directions here. If you use the simple dash like that, well, John will have access to the entire website. So I want John to access a certain a specific directory. So I look at the specific directory I want him to access and I put it here, and I click on create, and I give the FTP login and the username to John, and when he uses his FTP client with the username and password, he will be directed only to the directory you specified, and he will have access just on the files in this directory. And if Bob works for you, well, you create another FTP account, you go to your cPanel, and now you know exactly what to do. You click on FTP manager, FTP accounts, and then you go to add FTP account and you create an account for Bob. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.